Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will walk you through on how to delete a workspace on Notion. If you are looking to remove a workspace from Notion, follow these simple steps to delete it. Start by clicking on Settings and Members in your left sidebar. This is where you can manage various aspects of your Notion experience. Then, select the Settings tab. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Danger Zone. Here, you'll find the option to delete entire workspace. Give it a click. To ensure you are making the right decision, Notion will prompt you to type in the name of your workspace. Once confirmed, all the content within the workspace will be permanently deleted. You will then be redirected to either another workspace you are part of or to the Notion sign-up page if you are not a member of any other workspaces. With this careful process, you can confidently delete a workspace in Notion, ensuring that your workspace management aligns with your needs and preferences. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.